All right, Chief. This is Nicholas Salamo recording for the class project. So we're going to start off with number one, asking for the distance between San Jose Airport and Salinas Airport. So you put that in the sky vector, put that up here in the flight plan, go down here, zoom in. Right here it says 45 nautical miles, but if you hit the nav log, it's actually 44.7. So we're going to be using that 44.7 over here. And when you multiply that by the conversion to regular miles or statute miles from the nautical miles, gives you 51.43984 statute miles. All right, number two, looking for the true course in degrees when we fly over from SJC to Salinas Airport. So if we go back to the sky vector, it says on the nav log that the track is 160 degrees. And so that's what's going to be the true course, is 160 degrees. Number three is asking for the magnetic course. And what we need to do to find the magnetic course is look for the variation from magnetic to true. And so right here, you can see the 13-degree magnetic variation right here, which is the closest to our course. And so we're going to subtract that from 160, making it 147. And that's going to be our magnetic course, 147 degrees. So number four, 17 miles from SJC is a big antenna. What's the height? And what are the two numbers and how do you understand this? All right, so if you look at what he's talking about, what you're talking about, Chief, there's this antenna right here on our course, and there's two numbers right here. So the top number is actually the height of this antenna from the mean sea level right here, MSL. And so that's the height of the tower all the way from sea level. And this is the actual height, which is just the height above ground level, which is 1,554. Number five, if you look at the symbol on the airport, Salinas Airport, there's two tiny purple parachutes. So tiny purple parachutes, if you look at the legend up here, that just means it's a parachute jumping area. So that's what I put right here. Number six, you see a tiny purple flag using a legend. What does the symbol mean? You're talking about this symbol right here. I'll show you. It's a VFR waypoint, by the way, but I'll show you its location. Right here. Our map, there it is. All right. Yeah, and its name is Salinas, by the way. It's right here. All right, so moving left again, you count MOAR, Marina Airports. There's a diamond with an H right here. And so if you look back at the legend, that means it's some kind of activity area. And so if you look down here for the H, it's a hang glider activity area. So there would be an H in the diamond, like it says on the question. All right, yeah, hang glider activity area, yeah. Okay, number one on the Morse code and the coordinates. Okay, so what is the coordinates for SFO? So if we look back, go all the way here. SFO is marked by this little green dot right here, obviously. So yeah, if you look at that, you hit the dot and look at the GPS, it says it right there, 3704 north, 120 degrees, 52 minutes west. Yeah. Oh wait, whoops, I'm reading the wrong thing. SFO is 37 degrees north, 37.59 minutes and 122 degrees west with 22.90 minutes west. All right. And so the airport right here, the one that I miscorrectly read for the other one. So if we look at where that is, it's actually going to be Los Banos Airport around here. Crow's Landing, Gustine, Los Banos. There it is. Whoops, don't know why it's doing that. So it's purple or whatever color you want to call that, magenta. If you look up here in the legend, that just means that it's only blue airports are controlled towers. So this one's magenta, so it's not controlled. So Los Banos Airport, non-towered. So Morse code, I had a print copy of my Morse code. We don't need to look at that, but so SJC ... space ... that's SJC, yeah. And so my name right there, dash ... dash ... dash ... dash ... dash ... slash ... Nicholas Alma, whatever. Yeah, and then all this just means the secret to a good pilot is you never stop learning. And I didn't use like a decoder. I used the decoder, not like a website. I was just looking back and forth. But I know a lot of Morse code already. All right, that's it, Chief. That's the final project. I'll stop it there.